All right, so we're now back in one of our earlier projects for calculating a sum of all the elements in an array using atomic operations. And now what I want to do is time the invocation of the kernel. And I don't want to do it through the profiler, which would be rather easy. I would rather do it using CUDA events. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two events, which are CUDA event underscore t. One would be called start, and the other would be called end. And then we have to call CUDA event create on both of them. So CUDA event create on start, and let me control D and do the end one. All right, so we've created both events. Now what we want to do straight away is we want to record the start event. So CUDA event record start. So we record the start event, we invoke the kernel, then we do CUDA event record end, and we do CUDA event synchronize as well, just to make sure that we do actually have the right data in the end variable there. Okay, so we've got the start and end of the event, and now we want to actually output the value. So how many milliseconds did it take? So float elapsed, and then we call CUDA event elapsed time. We pass a pointer to elapsed, and we pass start and end. There you go. So that's a float value with how many milliseconds it took. So let's add it here. And it took then elapsed, then milliseconds. There we go. We can now run this. Slight fix. Off we go. All right, so this is what the end result looks like. The sum of numbers is same as always, and it took 0.069, so a very small amount of time. And that's how CUDA events are used for timing.